We're front ways, or back ways, but keeping all kind of style on her back. She has on the top, body like a juice in peace, bright orange, like a silver, and on the bottom, she has on the drink pocket and in a lovely time and give them flavor, give them fun. Jewel by the Celestine collection. Are those citric?
Carnelian.
The Celestine collection. We're your African self. Beauty, style, grace. And of course the fans by who? I'm a tulip in the back. Give her a round of applause. Hi, y'all. All right. See, I'm enjoying myself. Sweating already. Don't be scared. I said that's my beautiful. All right. Here we go. This is a Jane Hicks, yes? All right. A beautiful drink beside the summer. Go work, go play, and they do from head to toe. Look at the beautiful black and white hats, the graphics, the black and white. The African woman that always adorns her head. She has on a short crop top in a graphic black and white. Chinese top, black and white, a funky pair of pants. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Dress it up, dress it down, wear it to work, wear it to church, go and hang out, be your African self. She adorns and finish you off her look with a beautiful necklace by Tula, who's not a regular woman, but you're right here, all the way to California. And who the earrings by? Oh, okay. Victoria Low Collection. That's right. Give her a round of applause. Did you get a picture? All right. Please stop for us once more. Yes, and good. Little more. Take a breath. Let them see in your African feeling. Thank you. Pamela. All right. Give her a round of applause, guys. Give it to you. Is this us? How you doing? Give this purple. How you doing? Okay, good. I know it. What's going on? You alright? All right. Who's next? Look at all the children and everything. Hi, y'all. How you doing?
Good, how are you? So, yeah, me and Greg went to the movies.
I don't go down that way. That's what you're going to do. No? Stop for a second. There you go. Beautiful. Tula. Look at that. Beautiful silk pants that have colors in it. Now you can wear something else underneath that. Silk on top and a silk leather wrap vest. Is that right? Okay. Beautiful headpiece. So now we're wearing jewelry on our heads. We have a shirt called We Eat Arts. They're $20, but when it comes to one of the diaspora artwork, you know that all that we do for you costs actually more than what the market makes for. So we're asking everyone in the church right there to please buy a shirt and support the diaspora artwork. We love you. We love what you do. We eat art. Buy a shirt, please. $20. Come on, everybody, make it $20. Okay? All right, thank you. We got men's, women's, children's sizes, dresses, t-shirts, all kinds of things. Thank you, Pamela, for being so pure. We love you. We can still twirl a little, Pamela. I still want some of that too. Nice and a little bit. Okay, here we have the lovely Pamela. I know her necklace is the Celestine collection, yes? Who did it here? Oh, I'm sorry. All you people are so fabulous. Necklace is by Emily Durrell. Ease Creations, yes? Like how many months to get that? Who did the earrings? Are those people good? Okay. Victoria is the new sister. Victoria Blake Gold Collection. Christina Blake, that's her right there. Look at those lovely earrings. More. Okay. And she has on a dress by Ashanti Fields with the asymmetric ribbon on the outside. Beautiful tiny guys. Yes? Okay. Beautiful one piece that you can wear, dress it up or dress it down. That's one thing about these fabrics and these styles. They fit a variety of sizes, and then you can wear them when you want to. If you want to wear that to the party, if you want to wear that to dinner, if you want to wear it to graduation, you can. She wears it with style and grace. Ashanti Fields, Ease Creation, and Victoria Lynn, by the diaspora artists. Thank you. All right. So who's next? Let's see what's next. Anybody coming? No? Yes? Okay, all right. So, yes, no? Okay. Okay. Who's that? Let's see. Come on, Seth. Do the thing. All right. Okay, all right. Hi, y'all. How you doing? The beautiful. Oh, thank you. Now let's say you're going out and you're doing a little something casual, but you still want to rock your African style. Here we have a shirt by Ashanti, and a neck piece in purple. You know the purple one. Just to keep an ancestors. So let's celebrate him a little bit. A purple neck piece as well as let's turn around and see the bag. Oh, beautiful bag by the sister here in his crochet artist as well, amongst other things. You know, wear pieces. You want to go buy a bag and invest some money in it? Invest in someone who looks like you. Invest in someone who cares about the money that you spend and how hard you had to work for it. You know what I'm saying? Right? That makes sense. You're going to go to a place and shop with people who follow you around in the store, despise your very essence, lock you up, and don't leave behind. Spend your money with people like you, who love and appreciate you. Beautiful shirt by Ashanti Fields can be worn by a male or a female. You can wear it if you want to. Nice long skirt, it can be shorts. You can just wear that and kind of, you know, be around the house with your significant other. Okay, y'all look at it's real. Beautiful ensemble. Great piece. A way to say, I love my African self. Look how beautiful she looks. Give her a round of applause. Ashanti Fields, created by Tamar. All right. You done made it big time. All right. Good. Okay. So, do we have anybody else? Anybody else? Anybody telling? No, somebody's telling. Somebody's telling. Yeah. Somebody. We're not finished yet. All right. Okay. How much you want there? All right. So we have a special demonstration for you. Real short, real sweet. Okay. So the sister has a versatile, multi-purpose graphic system, and she's going to show you a few ways that you can grab it real quick. Five ways. decided Bogolan. You know Bogolan is out there with that person, right? Bogolan feed is actually what we commonly call raw buttplug. So it's cotton. So you don't have to worry about that negative reaction. 3. Go ahead, girl. What's coming next? 4. Okay. Lovely. And she has different sizes and different fabrics. So you can get one is a leather, one is a dashiki print. The beautiful art. Did you saw the dashiki print? The dashiki print is there. We'll look at that. Turn it backwards. So this is what? This is 5. 4. Times 2. Okay. What is that? All right. Yes. All right. Okay. Wow. Okay. Turn around. Okay. 2 more ways. Okay. 2 more ways. I said 2. You said 1. Okay. Whoever. See her? No, nobody's paying attention. They're like, I'm looking at this jacket. All right. It's the ingenuity of the mindset. Think about it. You know, over me. And of course, other people. Wow. Okay. What's going to do now? Beautiful. Okay. All right. Okay. Wear a simple dress underneath. You can do jeans. You can do a one-piece dress. Very nice. Okay. All right. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's see her. Stand up and take it off. That's all right. You know, no one thinks like we do. And the whole world looks up to us. Oh, thank you very much. Come on out. Excuse me, young man. Come on. Miss Pamela, how you doing? All right. It's a beautiful 1-2-piece set. By Sun's come here. All right. So you know it's getting hot, as you can see I'm here blazing hot as usual. This is the gloss. I just took the color out of it. Something free and easy. I'm really not used to the tight and short and all of that. Nice and breezy. Look at that, what she turned. See, I told you, twirl. It's okay. All right. This is Pamela. You want to do something, you want to do something that's unique and one of a kind, by all means. Look at these designers. These are people who have been in business for 20, 30 years. And I'm not